Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for Act 235, you must be at least 18, be legally able to work in the U.S., pass a criminal background check, pass a physical examination, pass a psychological evaluation, and provide valid government identification. Step 2. Do you need an unarmed license first? In Pennsylvania, there's no statewide unarmed security guard license required before becoming armed. That means you don't need a guard card first. Your Act 235 certification itself is the armed credential. Many guards start unarmed with the company and then complete Act 235 when moving into armed posts. Step 3. Start your Act 235 certification application through the Pennsylvania State Police. This process begins in the TACS online portal, where you submit your initial application and receive instructions for the next steps. During this stage, you will submit the Act 235 application, pay the state application fee, and receive instructions for fingerprinting and required exams. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Fingerprinting and background checks. After submitting your application, you will schedule fingerprints through IdentoGo, the Pennsylvania State Police approved vendor. Step 5. Complete the required medical and psychological exams. Pennsylvania requires both before you can attend Act 235 training. Most applicants schedule these through private doctors and licensed psychologists in their area. This process has a lot of moving parts and requirements that change over time. If you want to support the channel and help keep these step-by-step guides coming, consider joining as a YouTube channel member. Members get custom badges, emojis, and shoutouts in future videos. I'd like to thank my current members, Redeveret, Colonia, and Wenblend. Step 6. Complete the required Act 235 training at a Pennsylvania State Police certified school. This training program includes both classroom instruction and firearms qualification. Typical topics include legal use of force, Pennsylvania deadly force laws, weapon retention, safe firearm handling, and range qualification. Step 7. Finalize your certification. After completing training, your certification is processed through the Pennsylvania State Police system and you will receive your Act 235 certification card, allowing you to legally carry a firearm while working in qualifying security positions. Depending on appointment availability, training schedules, and processing times, this entire process typically takes about 4 to 10 weeks from start to finish. Step 8. Let's break down the realistic cost to become an armed security officer in Pennsylvania. The Act 235 application fee is around $50, fingerprinting is $22.60, certification fee is $30, physical exam around $100, psychological exam $200, Act 235 training $400. The estimated total $802.60. These costs may vary and do not include your firearm, holster, duty belt, body armor, or ammunition. And for perspective, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median wage for security guards in Pennsylvania is $18.11 per hour, for an average annual salary of $37,680. According to Indeed, armed security officers average $21.80 per hour. That's roughly a $4 per hour increase, which can add up to more than $8,300 extra per year working full-time. Step 9. License renewal. Act 235 certification is valid for 5 years in Pennsylvania. You can apply for renewal within 6 months before expiration. If your certification expires and you miss the renewal window, you may have to restart the entire process. Step 10. Get hired and stay informed. Once you have your Act 235 certification, you can begin applying for armed security positions. Search job boards like Indeed. Join the r/Guard Guides community on Reddit to compare pay, posts, and company experiences across the industry. For resume and study aids, visit guardguides.com and my Etsy store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.